I've updated my everyday carry, my EDC, and we're going to go over the changes. This is the Umarex pepper ball launcher, 43 cal, Walther PPQ. This is only used for reasonable precaution against potential danger of great bodily harm or death. This is loaded with steel 43 cal rounds. I also have 2 extra on my back. One pepper ball magazine and another steel magazine. Also, if you break the law, great bodily harm, or anything else of that nature where it's appropriate to like mark you, we got blue rounds. Alright, so that's it for the new pepper ball launcher. I'll show you how these magazines conceal on my belt. Alright, so I rest my shirt up on my utility tool pouch. We'll go over that in a second. If I stand up straight, it's pretty fine. Doesn't show too much, just gotta, go like that. Make sure it's not riding up on me like that or anything like that. If I gotta take my shirt off, I store my shirt on my pad pouches, put the collar on it. So that's about it for that. One more spin. Alright, now you got the multi-tool here. Keep this one in a tan coyote pouch. Coyote brown. This is a Gerber. This is a truss. This has got pliers. We'll go over all the tools real quick. Alright, so here we got scissors. Put that back down. Got a bottle opener with a little pry tool and a can opener. Got a big non-serrated knife. Got a little pry tool here with some measuring increments on it. And there's this smaller razor blade right here. Next side we got a serrated knife, saw blade, Phillips head, and a flat head. So that's all for that side. That's all for the multi-tool. Pliers and those tools that I showed you on it. So those are big changes right there. Nothing else has really changed. Let's just go over right cargo pocket, pocket constitution, phone, self-defense pen, lighter, binocular, 8 times 25. 8 times magnification. Got the tube of 43 cal paintballs and my tourniquet. Left pocket, that's just some waters, and I carry a flashlight right here like this. Left front pocket, that's another lighter right here. A pocket knife with a seatbelt cutter on it. And I keep my pocket change in there. That pocket change got some uses. Say if you walk in and there's a beautiful woman, but though she's not looking your way, just you know, make your presence known. Be respectful, and let her know that you're there. Throw that as hard as you can against the ground, so she hear it. All right, so let's see. Anything else I'm not forgetting? Got the back pocket. Back pocket, carry a notepad, writing notes, give motherfuckers tickets. In the back pocket, I carry a med kit with quick clotting gauze, with hemostatic agent inside of it, regular gauze for wrapping, hemostatic clamps for exposed arteries, and chest seal. All that together with the tourniquet. It's a good medical kit. Alright, so we're going to go over everything on the crate here. Like I said before about the fanny pack, we're bringing sexy back. This is the low profile fanny pack. Okay, so this is everything. Let's go over it one more time. Umarex pepper ball launcher, Walther PPQ 43 cal, med kit, mouth guard. Notepad, back left pocket, 2 mag pouches on the belt, multi-tool on the belt, pocket knife, lighter, flashlight, water bottles, pocket constitution, lighter, self-defense pen, marking paintballs, 8x25, solo monocular, tourniquet, and that's about it.